Hello everyone, welcome back to ST Solutions. Today I'll be showing you a complete guide on how to repair and fix your 300e Chromebook. So first, as you can see, I've taken all the parts apart. This is the very bottom at the base of the computer. This is the keyboard portion, and pretty much it's the bare bones. The only thing that's really on here are the keys and the trackpad. So let me show you a little bit about this computer. In order to take out the trackpad, you need to remove this film and remove these screws. Okay, but let me go to the motherboard to show you how to replace it. If you have any problems with your system or the motherboard itself, whether it's cracked, bent, or whatever, this is what you replace. This is the motherboard, and on the back is the CPU. Right here is a CPU. Right? See all of that. Right? So you just place it in the center here where this copper is, like that, like so. And then you need to go down at a 30-degree angle into the ports. Put the ports into their sections, like so. Like that. Just place it in the right place, like that. And what you can do now is connect the cables together. Hello everyone, welcome back to ST Solutions. Today I'll be showing you a complete guide on how to repair and fix your 300e Chromebook. So first, as you can see, I've taken all the parts apart. This is the very bottom at the base of the computer. This is the keyboard portion, and pretty much it's the bare bones. Hello everyone, welcome back to ST Solutions. Today I'll be showing you a complete guide on how to repair and fix your 300e Chromebook. So first, as you can see, I've taken all the parts apart. This is the very bottom at the base of the computer. This is the keyboard portion. Okay, next we can put the speakers back in. If you have any problems with the speakers, just put them back in and exchange them. So the main one goes towards the motherboard, like so. Like that. This one goes here. And you can get like a tweezer and just follow the guides like what I'm doing. And like so, that's good. And what you can do next is place the battery back in. Or actually, let me show you how to fully take out the LCD screen. This is the main LCD screen, as you can see. The NIC is still connected. If you need to disconnect it, you can. For this situation, the reason I'm keeping it on is because it's very difficult to put the connectors back on, and they're prone to break because the wire head's very So what you can do now, you're going to take the screen. So the reason why you might want to replace the screen instead of the whole thing is just the LCD is burnt, and you can keep the back for whatever reason. Like for example, you keep it in the back because you need the mount down here, and you may need the NIC wires, and so in order to do this, what you need to do is remove these corners like so. You can pry it open like that. Put that aside. That. Okay. Now just take your screw, unscrew it. what you can do now is you do need a prying tool. So gently go in the corner, just like how we open the Chromebook. Okay. And once you take this off, you can replace this piece, and if it's broken. And now, in order to take the actual LCD screen off, what you need to do is remove these screws down here and these three. So let's do so. And also, you also need to, because once you take this LCD off, you need to remove these little rubber pieces. So let's do that now. So let's pry them back. That. Same thing with the other side. Like that. Now just unscrew it. Take it out. Like so. Place it in the center. You can just push it back. Tiny suction is enough. Like so. There you have it. This is the actual LCD of the Chromebook. So, you know, if you need a new part, you can replace it. Yep. So you can see the whole thing. Now let's put it back together. Say your actual LCD is broken. Just, as you can see, there's a bracket here. There's silver brackets, right? Just put it in the same spot. Or put it more than halfway, like a quarter, third way in. Just push it down, like that. And that's it. Now with this step, you're going to make sure that the cables go back into their proper place. Like so. And good. Now I just put the screws back in. Like so. And put the bezel back in. Center here where this copper is, like that, like so. And then you need to go down at a 30-degree angle into the ports. Put the ports into their sections, like so. Like that. Just place it in the right place, like that. What you can do now is connect the cables together. This one is the front camera. And now you can put the shield. This is the shield to protect the ports. On so. These are designed specifically for electronics. Seven, eight, nine. Unscrew those, and then in the top corner, pop it like this, pry it open, go all the way around, like that, and just open it all the way through. I'll demonstrate like that, like so. So I'll just put it back on to complete the build. Okay. And here, if you type in diagnostics in the search bar, you can run a charge test, check the CPU monitor, run a memory test, check the connectivity of your Wi-Fi. You can test your keyboard. Yep. And that is a complete guide to your Chromebook 300e. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And if you could, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. It means a lot. Thank you.